Shit. Hello friends, very good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. In this live session, we are going to discuss about our Google Sheet scanner for a stock option. Yeah, very good morning, Ramesh. Thanks for joining here. And we are using our Google Sheet to find out a positional opportunity and also by intraday. It is a new sheet which we have added on our intraday sheet. It is working based on some indicators. Okay, so anyone who are on this live session, can you please let me know my voice and video clear? Can you able to access my video audio clearly? So pre-open session Nifty showing you almost 85 points positive. So after two consecutive down days, so we have seen some positive opening around 0.4%. Thank you, Rakesh. Thanks for your update. Okay, so today we are going to focus. And yesterday we find HAL that was in a good move on intraday. So after 9:30 breakout, which we are focused. In today's scenario, market is going to be start with positive. So we have to wait for whether this positiveness will continue or is there any chances for a reversal. Because overall trend is down and daily time frame Nifty forming a hammer at the lowest level. The hammer candle which forms at the low, and it may be today it is going to, the high is around 19,457, but now today it is going to start 19,521. So maybe this high, so this looks like a trend reversal, and this low should be a stop, but it doesn't give you the opportunity because it is going to open with gap higher. But after this spinning top, we have a trend reversal at the top, and same like that from 20,200 now 19,400, we find a hammer candle. And also today is the expiry day, weekly expiry. So you have to aware of that weekly expiry. And Nifty, right? So Bank Nifty is gone away yesterday. Today Nifty weekly expiry is there. So you have to check for that weekly expiry. Maybe the premium yesterday, lot of put option will increase its premium after this two consecutive down. And today it started with positive, that maybe that time decay would be paused. So we need to check. And if you want to trade in Nifty options, so you always prefer for ITM option. And if you apply for a OTM or ATM, it should be directly related to the time decay. Okay, let me check what is going to happen. So as per our Google Sheet scanner, lot of put option triggered almost a 5%, 10% increase. And now it is recovered today. Maybe the chances any option in call side should be possible. And this is what on monthly positional. And intraday, the sheet is updated for intraday. So Bata India, Syngene, and LIC, MFSL, both, it was not a liquid one. So that was not a liquid trade. So only liquid options and the options having good volume that you can track. In few seconds, the market is going to start. 19,521 in the spot. And the Bank Nifty 44,181. So if you are looking for a Bank Nifty chart, that's not any trend change pattern, but Nifty is forming a hammer at the bottom. 52 points, and Bank Nifty is 220 from previous close. Positive opening, gap up opening compared to the previous day high. It is a gap up opening. If gap up which has happened, the most of the time reversal also be possible. The gap to fill around 19,455. That price may be possible to reach on this. It started with positive. We have to wait whether it is going to continue or reverse from the top. So let me wait what is going to happen. Okay. And Bank Nifty also negative. Nifty is clearly opened by the gap up. Investor scanner Marico, ONGC. I think ONGC today it's a put side. And already we have a ONGC which triggers on positional 2 days back, right? So around 8.8. And yesterday's close is around 9.55. Yeah, very good morning, Nazim. Thank you for joining the session. And we can see a lot of calls. Asian Paint, Indopetro, BPCL, Bridger Paint, LTTS, RBL Bank. Maybe RBL Bank. So overall market is positive. RBL Bank 250 call option, 12.6. Yesterday is a huge negative. So you look at this then a huge negative from yesterday. And the close is somewhere around 10 rupees. And today it started with gap higher. And it is started nearby the previous day high. So maybe the chances this RBL Bank can give you some opportunity. Our entry point on RBL Bank is somewhere around 12.6 and liquidity. We can check for a liquidity RBL Bank. It is happening RBL Bank. Call option 250 or it did 12.8 and 12.8 to 12.65. That is the current price. But it was started compared to the previous day high. So the lot size is 5,000. Almost 60,000 margin record. So let me wait. But this is what the conditions which you are applying for the stock was trading immediately after open. Okay. Like into Petro, Asian Paint, Indigo, BPCL. But we can track that RBL. 12.5 is less than our breakout point. So in past 15 minutes is highly volatile time. So we have to wait and we will be getting some clear opportunity. Okay. So after 9:30 we can normally take a positions. So in trading because of 76 points positive from previous close and that will be a good one. Indigo is the top one 2380. Check for a liquidity on side 2380. 147, 153, 2380, right? 90 and 92. So lot size is around 300. Indigo. Maybe that looks good. But this is what happening. So high risk trader can participate in the 915 to 930. But normal trader we can wait and after 9:30 we can find out such a good opportunities. DO into Petro, BPCL, RBL Bank. You look at this, the RBL Bank 13 to 14. Maybe a quick scalping. It's an intraday scanner. We are looking RBL is in 13, right? RBL Bank call option 250. And that was an opportunity to move upside. So now it is trading around 13.95. Because of that candle, it looks like a end reversal, a bullish reversal candle. This is what. Maybe the chances it will be even further. We can expect upside. So mostly in call side. And this one, Indigo also looking good. Currently 93, 95, Indigo. Then RBL came to 13. $12.6. High made is around 14.25. So it's quick scalping that you can plan. The Hero Motor Corp also slightly moving, PEL is moving. So we have to wait. After 9:30, we will easily find out a lot of opportunity. PEL 1050. I think previously we marked some level. PEL 1050 call option and trading 40.5. So liquidity volume is 76,000. That's good. Good volume. In the large size is around 750. That is 42. We'll look for a PEL chart. That was hammer and now it is moving. Okay. We should wait as quick scalping from 42 now it is 44. The PEL. We need to find a good opportunity from this list. IEX. It's happening Nifty. After the gap up, it's not moving anywhere. It is staying on the same level. So we have to wait. Euro Motor Corp. Okay, so let me go for our monthly positioning. So Axis Bank recently triggered and still it is the same price. Maruti, it has a gap up. And Alchem Laboratories that was working. Siemens input side. Look for IRCTC and a call side 680 around 41.6 and wait for the breakout only after 9:30. And Hindustan Unilever so far away. So only few stocks which is nearing to the top. It's about IRCTC and monthly positional. We should wait, and if we get any good opportunity, then we can go. Up until Nifty 94 points, gap up opening, and let me check on a 15 minutes time frame. In first 15 minutes, it looks like a spinning top, but it will be confirming only after 9:30. So if it is a spinning top, so we may be focusing that high and low for a breakout or a breakdown. When a reversal candle at which is happening on the first 15 minutes. Flat, very flat. Yes, that would be good opportunities. If you have any questions and doubt, you just ping me here in the chat box. EX, the top, Indigo. So a lot of call side because of the gap up. Not as 85 points from previous close. EX is very fast right now. And what happened to RBL Bank? It will be moved down. It's 12.9. So 12.6 is our expected breakout. What happened to Indigo? Support doji candle and was a gap up. So spinning top. The previous one is a hammer, inverted hammer. And the resistance is now nearing to that R4. The Indian water also moving good. Navin fluoride. LTTS. Maybe whenever you seen a stock, you should look at that stock having good volume and liquidity. So you need to just check that volume and liquidity about the particular stocks. It's very important. Nifty weekly hammer. That is a shooting star, sorry, a doji, not moving yet. Maybe expiry day, such a big thing can be expected. So it means this is a candle. So the first 15 minutes is gone now. So Bank Nifty doesn't change any candle. It is a gap up. And Nifty is about a doji or a spinning top kind of candle at the top level. So maybe about to the 15 minutes high and below to 15 minutes low. We can just check for whether which side the market is going to be. Either the both high and low should be very important. If it breaks below the low, so it can be filling the previous day high as our gap. Maybe that gap to be filled if it has came down. Squats, IRCTC and Hindustan Unilever in the top. Input side we have Maruti not triggered. And Alkem Siemens ONGC. ONGC is about yesterday's trigger. Now it is trading around 9.5. So any new fresh opportunity for intraday? It was a call side, Berger Paint and RBL Indian Hotel 15.7. PEL now it is 41. If you want to find a fresh breakout, so we can check below. And LNT above 83, 3020 call. LNT. Let me check whether it is a fresh breakout or 3020. You can see 88 is the high, which you are looking for 83, already triggered. And UPL 50.61550. Strike price is 1550. It's not a liquid. Yeah, Infosys 1440 call 40.5. And this is also triggered 43 high. So better we will try to find a fresh breakouts. Okay. So Bharat Forge 36.2, 1060. It's not a negative. And 030 36.75, 36.2. That is also be triggered. L&T UPL Car Container Corporation 25.6710. Yeah, this would be a new breakout. Container Corporation, where it is already triggered. 27 that moves. Maybe it is the second 15 minutes only triggered, and now it is higher than our entry point. 25.6 should be the breakout point. And HAL again today, but it is greater than our entry point. L&T Finance Holding that already triggered. Nicer Motor, maybe liquid. Wipro, Kotak Bank, a lot of stock. You can look for Kankar that already moved. Container Corporation. Okay, we should wait for. And is there any opportunity in monthly? So we are looking for this one IRCTC 680 call option. Let's see 680 call 41.6. And if it is breaks, that is what a fresh break or 41.6. Based on our advanced option strategy, that may be a fresh break or currently 39. So remaining stock is nearby, so far away. We should wait. Nifty is now almost 100 points. Started moving up. Maybe IRCTC 40. Here IRCTC 705, 23.3. 23.95, 23.5. The large size is around 875, so maybe 24. And this I is around a 24. So we can track this for a 24 and above. So maybe a breakout because we are looking for a monthly as well as intraday, which is showing you the opportunity. If it is triggers, then maybe a good opportunity. So we need to find out a trade opportunity from this list. And ABB, Indian Hotel, it's in the top. LTTS, Indigo, Indo Petro, McDowell, the entertainment. So which we are looking for a nearing to that entry. GoForce already higher. TCS, you can see TCS 104 3540 and nearby result 3540. First candle high is around 106. Now it is on this top level and our breakout point is 104. So nearing to that level. So it is already higher, but we can try 103.8 if it is reached back. 3.8. Maybe whatever the intraday, if you are planning, that would be in intraday. Positional, that is what different. So we are using our advanced option strategy to trade a positional one, and this is not reaching. Okay, so 108. Maybe well, we get an opportunity. Let me try. IRCTC intraday exactly at that point, but we are looking for a 24 and above. This one purely for an intraday purpose, not for a positional one. If you have any questions and doubt, you just ping me here in the chat box. TCS now it is moving higher, but it was not giving you the opportunity, and it is moving higher and higher. Infosys, Dinesh, what is happening on Infosys? We are looking for an Infosys and our positional strategy. Based on our advanced option strategy, it is about 1440 strike price, which we are looking for. Infosys 1440 call. We are looking for around 60.7 and above. Okay, so currently it is 45. It is so far away from our monthly positional, and maybe the chances it can be triggered. And in intraday, scanner Infosys is around 1440, the same strike price, which is around 40.5. Okay, so in first candle itself, it has went up to 43. Now it is greater than 46. So maybe 40 point something, 40.57. If it has came to that level, you can try to focus for a retracement opportunity. Okay, so or you just think over this IRCTC currently trigger, it's going to be trigger the monthly positional. Maybe if you okay and check with other factors, and then you can go for this one monthly positional also IRCTC, which is going to trigger, and it is already higher from our entry point, and most probably some of the stock is going to be announced their quarterly results. Okay, so that you need to check the quarterly result is going to be announced in some of the stocks that you can check here in this website and look for results. So TCS is going to announce the result on 11th October, and HL Tech, HDFC, AMC 12th. I think 12th and 13th. So consecutively, the results is going to be announced that quarterly. Okay, so the first one is TCS. Maybe that will give you some that is a expectation on TCS, and Infosys is going to their result on 12th October. Okay, and Bajaj Auto on 18th October. So a lot of stocks is going to announce their quarterly result. So maybe that expectation the stock can move very higher in range, and so you can aware of that. And if the stock announcing the result, that time it will be very fast. Suddenly gap up, gap down can be seen. So if you are planning for a positional trade, at least nearby like 10-15 days, uh, the result would maybe nearby expiry. If a result date would be nearby expiry, simply avoid the stocks. If it is before the expiry, so maybe around if you find any stock before 15th or 20th result, then we can. But nearby 15 above, so if any stock which is a result, so simply avoid that because it can be moved higher. Okay, this 145. So we can add this also because expecting result. IRCTC, those who are tried for a monthly positional or intraday. So that intraday breakout which we are looking is around 24. Now it is 26. That's good enough because the lot size is around 800 plus 875. It moving nearby 3 rupees. That's good enough. 2000 plus. That's enough. And as a positional, IRCTC 680 call, which triggers at 41.6. That was a positional trigger. Okay. So maybe we are going to hold it for a positional basis, not for an intraday. Hope you understood the concept which you are using. So because it is not for an intraday, this one is for an intraday. So you can exit, and this if you are trying, so you can wait for it. If you have any questions and doubts, you can just ping me here in my chat box. Well, just keep on going ahead, and after the hammer candle. And if you know that one point of the day which forming a hammer, this is a trend reversal 1261. Now it is in higher because that hammer day I was taken a long. Do you have any question? RBL. What happened? So it was triggered before our entry point, na? That is why we are not trying. So only few opportunity. One is IRCTC which we find, and TCS. But RBL banks looks good. And based on our monthly positional, RBL bank entry point is to be RBL is around 23 rupees. It's a huge premium. So 5,000 lot size, we are going to pay more than lakh rupees. So that's not a good option for monthly positional because though paying a higher margin is not a right size. Okay. And intraday, so today we seen that was a pre-trigger 250 call option, right? BL 250 call option. Maybe the chances, because it has started a gap up around the 12 rupees. Now it is 11.4 and went up to 14. It's a quick scalping only which you are talking about. While before taking an entry before 9:30. So if you, it's not about a good one. So because after a gap down, that is a down day, it started with on the high or open of previous candle. Maybe the possible we can wait, and if you want to take this position at this current level with the stop loss of this particular day low, we can keep as a stop loss and we can wait for. Okay, that's what on RBL. And in daily chart, RBL bank is already high, so maybe it's going to be go higher. Sriram Finance. So you need to check the Sriram Finance whether it is liquid. $1,880. There is a 1.5 rupees nearby 1.5 rupees gap. Can you able to see that gap between the buyers and sellers? And also volume is 29,000, 30,000. So 50 contract which is traded. You should have and let's check that. So I think low liquid. It is looking like a downside. So why you are going to focus for a call? Because last 3 days, this last 2 days it was a down, and today also it started down. So in negative stocks, maybe it is moving lower. So why we are going to buy a call? I think you are asking about 20,200 call, right? One point of the time when it is started moving down. Instead of that taking, so we can try to follow the trend, which side the market is moved. That side we can plan for an opportunity. If any opportunity we got it like this, so we can plan for it. Okay. So it's not good for a good idea for a serum. And STFC last month, STFC Life is a liquidity issue, and this is also started moving HDFC Life at 625C. So look at the chart in daily time frame. It's clearly showing you the downtrend. You can see it's clearly moving towards the downside. So in this case, why we are going to follow for a call. So maybe if you find any trend reversal candle, we can try to find at the bottom. That may be the chances. Okay. So for example, in this the same stock, you can look for it is keep on moving down in the last 4 days. We find a doji or a hammer candle. So maybe about to the level we can try for a call. Again it keep on moving lower, and this time we find a doji, and this may be working well. Okay, and after that it is keep on moving higher, so we don't get any trend reversal, and now from that level it is moving lower, and we don't get any reversal candle. Even we got it and the high is not broken, so clearly down. So simply avoid to find a call. Better to wait. If you find any reversal candles or patterns or any other methods, you can go for, or else you simply wait. I hope you understood, Ramesh. So one or two opportunity which I'm going to find out with this Google sheet, that's good enough. Okay, so not to focus all the stocks I want to try. So it's not like this. So one or two opportunity which we can find out based on our capital and risk ability, that would be good. And look for a TechM 1200 1200 call in 15 minutes. Look for this. Just now it is triggered 45.2 and our entry point is 45.3. So exactly not now at our breakout point. So maybe this is a one more opportunity. It's a fresh breakout 45.3. And what is the lot size of this particular thing? And 600 rupees. So while before taking a stock option, you just go for a daily chart and how the trend is. At least we can filter something. This is a trigger, an intraday basis, which triggers around 45.3. Now just lower maybe the day low, which we can keep a stop loss around 38.6. If the risk is suitable, you can go, or else you simply watch this trade how it is going. So still ONGC on the same, and take M which you are finding, and ISTC already given you 3 rupees in intraday, and positional trigger which triggers just now, and it is on the same price. Yeah, you must welcome. Why? Because we are not taking any entry in the first 15 minutes, mostly the gap up and gap down which is happening. It is a fresh breakout only. So if you not took, and maybe you can try now. Okay, it's a positional. If you know about our strategy concepts, you can go for. Don't take while I'm telling you in the live session. It is not about whatever the trade which I'm recommending here. I'm not recommending any trades to take. It is my view and analysis which I'm sharing with uh, the logic, what is happening or what is going to happen, or if it is goes right, what can be happen, and if it is goes wrong. So it's a purely for an informational and educational purpose. I'm just sharing my views. And whether taking a trade, you need to consult your advisor, and also you can read my disclaimer. It will be clearly telling you have to please do your own research before investing or trading. In You can do, and whatever the trade which we are discussing here, it should be for purely educational purpose only. It's very strict disclaimer. This live session is mainly for my student who attend the classes for their doubts and questions. Canfin Home, Indian Hotel, Container Corporation that missed and it went higher. Tracking. So we are doing one or two trades is good enough. So that was happening in IRCTC. Now we are waiting for a take M. So what is going to happen in Take Mahindra? I think some of IT stocks is moving positive. So maybe the chances this is also going to move positive. 45.3 should be a breakout. The stock after three consecutive green dish and started fifth negative, fifth consecutive negative. So exactly 100 point in Nifty. There are any chances for trend reversal in Nifty? You can see it broken that high. Maybe it not continue. This may be a stop. The 15 minutes candle is forming a trend reversal pattern. Slight recovery. RBL 250. 11.2 right now. That breaks, maybe the chances it go down first. Today's lows somewhere around down. 226. And TCS, which you are looking, and it was retracing to that level. So 104.2. So maybe from this it recovered and maybe the stop loss below day low, or you can use any technical low. And the tech cam was reaching above, so 30-40 paisa. That's good. TCS 104, tech cam 45.7. So these are all the opportunity which we find out in intraday, and one more monthly positional trade triggered as an IRCTC. It's about a real trade and fresh breakout trade based on monthly. So now it is 1% higher from our entry. And these are all the previous trade. From there, we got a ONGC. That was a real opportunity and access bar. And maybe some of the trade IBUL, it's not a liquid one. And Sun Pharma which triggers. And NTPC nearing. I think maybe it triggers yesterday and it is lower now. So here Infosys, Titan. Okay, Titan also came into the top. And TCS, Nestle, IRCTC. IRCTC already entered, and Ramco Cement, maybe in Ramco Cement and Nestle, it may not be a good liquid one. So be soft in this than Unilever, go force. But it's so far distance for our breakout one. We should wait for it. So if you have any stock which can give you the breakout, then we can go for. Do you have any questions and doubts? You just ping me here. And if you want to join my advanced option strategy, and you can join that course, I'll share you the link. And if you want to download our Android app, so you can link which shared here. Here's the direct link for my advanced option strategy course, and you'll be getting the course detail. And it is about a positional stock option strategy. It is happening here, nothing. Still Nifty is in an 100-point range. IRCTC and TCS also be in the list. 164. The result would be nearing to that, but maybe hedging strategy which we can apply, because when the result is announced on 11, okay, there should be the huge trade changes over the market, maybe both the sides possible. So you need to aware of that. It came which moves to 47 from 45, so maybe scalping, and TCS now nearing to 10 points. Large size to be around 175, so nearby 1700. So 104 to 112, so 8 rupees, maybe 10 rupees. That intraday, if you are playing for an intraday, just simply exiting minimum profit, or you can trial your stop to get even more benefit or more profit. That is the best way to make more money in the same trade or trial your stop. And the trailing stop loss would be based on the technical levels, not by the points. Okay, that you should remember. It's about past 15 minutes should be the doji or a spinning top and lows broken out is moving lower, which one more. Maybe three intraday stocks, which we find out by using our Google Sheet. Maybe you can find out a lot, but based on my view, I find some three that works well. And positional and weekly and monthly both are same for this week. And if you are going to take a weekly position, maybe you try to exit your position because next to only 1 day left for this week. And monthly positional, so it's a different concept. You can hold it for a monthly positional. That's also be okay. Ninety points, Nifty. Okay, this one now started 25.8, 2 rupees higher from our entry. And TCS nearby 7 points, and the TechM is on the cost price. Okay, 27 IRCTC. So 3 rupees exactly from that point. And TCS 112.65. And TechM is around 45. So more good. Breaking the day low. So first candle, we have a scanner. The first candle should be the reversal pattern. If it is breaks the low, so we can expect the gap to fill, which is happening here. And the expiry day move entirely is going to be different. So Nifty options is going to expire today, right? Bank Nifty should be 11th October. Nifty is today. Yeah. In a week, 4 days is expiry. Monday mid cap, Tuesday Finance Nifty, Wednesday Bank Nifty, and Thursday Nifty. Only one day left. Friday, no expiry. Initially, they planned for Friday, but that does not happen. PL, it was not giving you such a good opportunity, sir. Currently trading very flat. So it's not a level for today. It is somewhere else we are making. First candle, it triggers, and after that, it's not moving more than the first candle high. So it's not about right opportunity. Maybe if you are focusing daily time frame, better you can see very flat move to avoid the stock. Okay, so intraday players 5 rupees on IRCTC. Here almost 10% plus 15% as a positional. So today IRCTC, which given me the positional opportunity, right now it is trading around 47, almost 15%, which increased from our entry point. Maybe our target is even big, and we are waiting for that target too as a positional strategy. But it triggers today, and now it is giving you some good benefit. And if you wait, you can wait for it. Or if you are intraday player, you can book an intraday. We are finding a 24, and now it is 29. And TCS is around 104 to 112. Now it is 108. And TechM, which moves towards 47, now it is trading 44.3, 1 rupee lower from our entry. So these are all the opportunity which we find out based on our Google Sheet Scanner, intraday scanner, and also by using our weekly and monthly position. So this one which we are planning a stock options by using our Google Sheet Scanner. If you want to access the scanner, so you can also access the scanner. It's a chargeable. So if you wish, and you can just ping me on the WhatsApp number, you will be getting the scanner, and it may be helping you to focus for an intraday or positional trades. Maybe Nifty is staying on the same level. Maybe that 100 point move. So it may be due to that expiry also be possible that 100 point move, which is happening in Nifty due to today's expiry. That can be in the higher because it is keep on going lower, and the day to day it is went higher. It means some trap for call writers or even put buyers. So due to this move, this 100 point move, so some panic. Maybe we should wait and watch what is going to happen. We are not predicting, so we are finding an opportunity. Again, back to 110. So maybe the chances. It's an intraday, so up to 3:30 we have the time. Maybe in this 1 hour live session, we are finding some opportunities, and we find some trades also, or some analysis which we are doing. That was working good. That's good enough. If you have any questions and doubt, you just ping me on the chat box, or you can just comment on the comment box. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this today's live session. If you have any questions and doubt, you just ping me on the comment. Thank you so much. Thanks for today's live session, and thanks for your support, and thanks for subscribing the channel. And thank you so much. Thanks for watching this, and we'll meet you tomorrow's live session. Thanks to you all, those who are joined on this live session. I'm going to wind up the session now, so we'll meet you tomorrow live. Thank you.